morning. My name is Triani from TV2. Today I will ask one of the students from UIN Jakarta about the facility. Hello, good morning. My name is Triani from TV2. May I take a moment of your time?
Hello, Riani. Of course, you can take my time.
Great. Could you introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Naila Nazmaira and I'm from journalism major and I'm now studying at UIN Syarif Hidayatullah Jakarta.
Alright. First of all, what do you think about the facilities at UIN Jakarta?
I think the facility in UIN Jakarta is already complete, but sadly, some facilities might disappointing.
Can you example what is like?
For example, we have a plenty classroom, but the air conditioning sometimes doesn't work, and the toilet is sometimes broken and unusable, and for the air conditioning, maybe making students feel uncomfortable and hot. Oh, and also to live. I think it's not enough to accommodate the students to reach their classroom because the students in Jakarta is so many.
Well, I can agree with you, Naila. UIN Jakarta is so big, but the facilities is can to be improved. And what do you think? What do you think can university to do improve?
I think the university should do a frequent check on the condition of the facilities, and I think students and the lecturers have their rights to study and to learn by their comfort.
Absolutely, in your opinion, what is the role of student be helping to improve the university facility?
The students play important role to improve the facility. For example, properly maintaining the facilities too, and for example, like to keep the classroom clean. And I think students have to don't damage or don't misuse the facility that already available in our campus.
Okay, last, what are you hope for the future about the facilities at UIN Jakarta?
Well, I hope the University of UIN Jakarta can improve their facility and correct their facilities. And I really hope that our major and all of the major can implement the smart classroom because I think that makes students feel more comfortable.
Okay, alright. Thank you very much for the great interview. I hope your hopes come with you.
Yes, thank you so much for this great interview too, and I hope TV2 will be successful.
Okay, my name is Dewi Triani from TV2 and see you later.